Learn how to make hair growth oil using onion, garlic, and olive oil. Once upon a time, there lived a very beautiful, tall, slim black African beauty named Karen. She lived in the city of Abuja. She had very short hair, which she usually plaits into enrolls. Karen had friends who had very long and luscious hair, and she wished she had very long and good-looking hair like them. Karen believed that having a very long hair will make her more beautiful and make her stand out among her peers in the society. After secondary school, Karen's parents enrolled her in a beauty school in the city of Abuja. Karen's scheme of work included learning how to make different types of hair growth oil, body beauty creams, and how to take of the human body generally. On her first day at school, Karen was taught how to make hair growth oil. Come along as Karen teaches you how to make hair growth oil using the following natural ingredients. Day 1. Ingredients for hair growth oil. 1 onions. 5 washed peeled gloves. 200 milliliters of olive oil. Remove the dry peel off your onion. Start by cutting your washed onions with the fresh peels and skin into small shapes. Onions has antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and hair growth stimulating properties, which makes it an ideal natural plant to add to your hair care routine. 5 peeled washed garlic cloves. Cut them into small slices. Garlic cloves promote blood circulation to the scalp and stimulates hair growth. It has antimicrobial and antifungal activity, which reduces the appearance of dandruff and also nourishes the hair fiber to prevent thinning. Preparation. Pour the sliced garlic cloves with all the onions into a jar and add 200 milliliters of olive oil and mix together. To extract the ingredients from your mixture, place your jar with the mixture into a saucepan with 2 cups of water and heat on low heat for 15 minutes using a double boiler to avoid burning. Once cool, strain and pour into a container. Apply on your hair scalp 3 times a week for best results. What is a double boiler? A double boiler is when you place your jar containing your ingredients into a saucepan with the required amount of water on the fire using controlled low heat, allowing the heat from the boiling water in the saucepan to heat up your mixture in the jar for a stipulated amount of time to help extract the juice from your ingredients in the jar. Karen used this hair growth oil for 3 months, and her hair became very long, luscious, and very beautiful. To achieve a long, healthy hair like that of Karen, you can like and subscribe to my page, follow the lesson above to make your own hair growth oil. If you would like to learn more about different types of hair growth and skincare remedies, please indicate in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this intriguing story, please drop a like and comment on your favorite part of the video, and do well to subscribe to my channel, Folktale by Queen Mother. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever we upload our next interesting story. Equally share this story and channel with your friends and family. It has not been easy getting here, but I really appreciate all of you who watched the story to the end. Do have a lovely day. Thank you.